Chopra!
Check. Hi, you guys. First of all, so good to see you all. It really is. To those of you who I met yesterday, thank you. And to those of you I'm seeing you today, thank you for coming. I'm really sorry I got late. There are a million things that have been planned for me. मैं बैंड्रा कुर्ला से आ रही थी and I'd forgotten Bombay for a little while कि गाड़ी में आपको 1.5 घंटा देना चाहिए instead of half an hour from Bandra to Juhu. But thank you so much for coming and I'm just really happy to be here and I'll let you do what you have to do.
Okay, this is a very special message to the country of India. From what I am told, this is going to be playing at a very big press conference right now, based around someone who's very, very, very important to me, very, very special to me, someone who's incredibly talented. She's kind of, sort of attractive, and the best part about this woman is she is so good at being bad. And of course, I'm talking about Priyanka Chopra. Priyanka, I love you. You're the best. Right now, I'm pretty sure I'm making her blush. Yep. But I just wanted to say, guys, I'm so sorry that I couldn't be there. Priyanka and myself, we had talked about for months, hopefully coming to India. It would have been my first time to India. I cannot wait to come. I wish I could have joined her this time. I'm here in Atlanta, shooting Rampage right now. We just wrapped Ballers. But I am there in spirit. And hold on, there's more stuff I'm supposed to say. Sorry I can't be there in India. I already said that. I love working with Priyanka. Baywatch, I don't need this. Listen, I love working with Priyanka. She was truly the best. Had the best time with her. You talk about a girl who really kicks ass in a way that is believable and legit. Well, Priyanka's the one. So I had a blast working with her. I had a blast working with the whole cast. Can't wait for you guys to see Baywatch. I really think you're going to enjoy the movie and enjoy the press conference. Make sure that you ask Priyanka a lot of questions about me. Not Zach, not the beautiful women who are amazing in the movie, but me. Because it's good for my ego. India, I wish I was there. And I do want to say this, a very special message to India. Over the years, whether it was my WWE career or my movie career, you have shown such incredible, incredible love and support to me. I just want to take a quick moment just to say thank you so much. I look forward to one day coming to your great country and saying hello and showing my gratitude in person. Until then, Priyanka Chopra, take it away. I love you so much.
We all remember him do If You Smell What the Rock Is. I think the ladies remember it more than the men. Right. Remember that? Yeah. So I think this is fabulous. I think.
Yeah, he was very, very sad that the Baywatch team couldn't come, and so were they. Everybody was really looking forward to coming to India, but we have a very short span of time that we have to promote. So, बंद कर दो lights, please. नहीं तो मुझे डांट पड़ेगी, guys. Yeah, so they were really, really sad that they couldn't come. So here am I.
But instead. Very interestingly, when I think of Baywatch, the immediate synonym for Baywatch is the slow-mo run. The interesting slow-mo run. And do we have one of your scenes capturing that?
Slow-mo run तो मैंने ही सिखाई है उनको. हम सालों से तो हम ही कर रहे हैं.
हमने सिखाया उनको.
मैंने जाके बोला देखो, टीचर मैं हूँ स्लो मोशन की. कहाँ थे?
हम स्लो-मो रन पे थे, आप सिखा रहे थे.
हाँ, मैं कह रही थी कि स्लो मोशन तो हम लोगों का मतलब हमारी खासियत है ना.
जनसिद्ध अधिकार.
Of course, especially Hindi movie actors. So obviously Baywatch has a lot of slow motion. They run, but I walk because Victoria doesn't run for anyone.
Nice, very cool.
It was a conscious choice because I mean, sorry. It was a conscious choice, I guess, to do a big tentpole movie. It's my first movie in Hollywood, so let's not assume it's the same kind of thing that happens in America. People didn't know me very much. The kind of films that came to me were very interesting because of Quantico. You can't just arrive there and say, okay, mujhe picture chahiye. You know, people have to come to you. So after Quantico, it was really nice that I got some amazing films. Out of the films that were offered to me, I liked Baywatch the most because one, it was a huge, big, you know, like global movie. I was a Baywatch fan when I was growing up. And second, I was playing the villain in the film. So I liked the idea कि मैं अपनी पहली film में कुछ, that I'm, you know, I'm doing something different. I mean, you all know me more than anything. I've always tried to make my career a little bit to the left. Always, I've chosen little different paths. That's what excites me. So I wanted, after Alex Parrish, America to get introduced to me as something completely different, because Alex is such a positive character. So completely bad was a lot of fun.
Okay.
What happens is, after every season, and I'm sure that happens with Hindi television. I mean, in Hindi television as well. मुझे नहीं पता था, मैंने भी नया सीखा, so I'll also enlighten you all. After every season, the channel goes back and they do like a consensus कि उनकी कौन से shows should come back for a next season, which shows they are cancelling, what their budgets are. So right now we are on that place. So even after season 1, we didn't know if season 2 was coming back till I think May. So we are still waiting in May to find out if there will be a season 3 or not. I've played a villain in Hindi films before. जैसे, you know, सात खून माफ हो गया, ऐतराज, of course. Right. So no, I wanted Victoria to be a very different. I mean, female villains हमने देखे भी नहीं है ना ज़्यादा हिंदी फिल्मों में, or like characters. We've seen Kajol, who was amazing, one of my favorites. But we've seen very few, even in, especially in Hindi films. So I wanted Victoria to be very, very feminine, but at the same time evil. You know, there's something very scary about that.
Hi Priyanka, this is Sohail. Yeah, on your right,
Sohail.
right. Yeah, hi.
Hi,
How are you?
Sohail. मतलब मैं मजाक कर रही हूँ.
हाँ नहीं ठीक है, ऐसे कोई बात नहीं.
Seriously नहीं, class नहीं दी थी मैंने. नहीं मैं, yes, it's a good question actually, because I do want to address it. बहुत stereotype होता है हमारी फिल्मों को लेकर और Indians को लेकर internationally, West में, सिर्फ अमेरिका में नहीं, West में भी, जो हम सब ने शायद experience किया हो, सुना होगा. You know कि क्या हमारे रोड्स पे एलिफेंट्स चलते हैं कि नहीं, हम लोग इंग्लिश अच्छे से कैसे बोलते हैं, you know, things like that. कि all our films, you know, हमारी फिल्में just random break out into song and dance होती हैं, suddenly dancer कहाँ से आ जाते हैं. So there's a lack of understanding. So what is conscious from my end is, whenever I walk onto a set, I want them to know that I'm an actor who knows my job. I want them, like, I want people to never question कि मार्क पे कैसे खड़ा होना था. मुझे अपना काम बहुत अच्छी तरह आता है, और वो मुझे हिंदी फिल्म इंडस्ट्री ने सिखाया है. So in that way, if I do good work and people work with me, then the representation of everything that I have learned by the Hindi film industry and the directors that I have worked with, तो वो correct होता है. तो वो I try and do right. I try to play characters जैसे Alex Victoria से बहुत अलग होगी, just like I've done in my Hindi films as well. And second of all, I think I always try and explain to people कि हमारा जो कल्चर होता है ना, हमको, I mean, गाना बजाना तो बचपन से ही होता है. बच्चा पैदा होता है तो हम डांस करते हैं, बर्थडे होता है हम डांस करते हैं, अगर अभी म्यूजिक बजा दे तो अभी भी हम लोग डांस कर लेंगे, आप लोग भी और मैं भी. तो you know, हमारी कहानियाँ जो होती हैं, they are told by music. That is a way of telling a story. Instead of a scene, we have a song. And so I try and explain to people that it's a cultural difference. But besides that, I think it's really cool that now that people have gotten to know me, जो मेरे शो को भी देखते हैं, उन्होंने कितनी सारी मेरी हिंदी फिल्में देखी हैं, and people like write to me and talk to me about the first time they've watched like Bajirao Mastani or Barfi, and it's really so much fun for me to, you know, have that sort of cultural exchange. Just because मैं संजय सर की favorite हूँ. No, I'm joking. अभी तक तो कोई बात नहीं हुई है, और but we've spoken about other films, but not for Padmavati. I'm sure it'll look beautiful. मैं बहुत lucky हूँ, मैंने झलकियाँ देखी हैं.
Hi Priyanka, Priyanka, you know, ever since you have been to Hi. Ever since you have been to Hollywood, we have heard thousands of highlights and everything, and one of the highlights is that you were featured in 17 international magazine cover. So how was that?
I think that was in the US only, or was it in? I don't know. I don't count. But इस महीने तो 6 आ गई. तो फिर this month I've done 6 in the US. So I don't know. I mean, magazine covers, I guess it was wonderful when it first started. My first one was a really big deal because, you know, going to someone else's country, completely different country, na jaan na pehchan, and then after getting the kind of reception and love that I have got from the industry there, the colleagues, the people that I meet, the media, the press, after Quantico it was amazing. Fans, people who watched the show. So, you know, when the first cover happened and when I first saw it, you know, airport mein when you see it, that time it was very exciting. My mother collects all of them, but she collects from India also, all the covers. Very diligently in my office she'll keep. But it was very nice, and I always try and do different covers, just like I do it over here. I treat them like, you know, photography एक art होती है in a weird way, so it's a nice new evolution वाला presentation of myself. So there should be some coming up in the next few months for Baywatch, so it'll be fun. इतनी आसानी से हो गया ना? नहीं, देश में नहीं हूँ, लेकिन मुझे नेशनल अवार्ड चाहिए. सर बड़ी मुश्किल पिक्चर बनाई थी, 118 एक्टर हैं उसमें. प्रोड्यूसर बनना पड़ा मुझे. मैं बहुत एक्साइटेड थी. जब भी मुझे कोई भी गवर्नमेंट से आई गेस सम्मान मिलता है, तब मैं न्यूयॉर्क में होती हूँ फॉर सम रीज़न. पहला नेशनल अवार्ड जो फैशन के लिए मिला, मैं न्यूयॉर्क में थी. पद्मश्री मैं न्यूयॉर्क में थी. फिर अब ये नेशनल अवार्ड्स भी मैं न्यूयॉर्क में थी. सो आई वाज फीलिंग वेरी ग्रेट, और स्पेशली क्योंकि ये मेरी पहली फिल्म थी, और ये बहुत स्पेशल फिल्म भी है. मैंने अपने पापा के लिए बनाई थी. अगर आप देखें पहले फ्रेम में मैंने अपने पापा की फ़ोटो भी डाली है, क्योंकि जब मेरे पापा भी वेंटिलेटर में थे, हॉस्पिटल पे थे, जब उनकी तबीयत ठीक नहीं थी, तो आईसीयू के बाहर हमारे साथ भी यही हो रहा था कि मेरी डैड की साइड ऑफ द फैमिली जो पंजाबी थी, मेरी मॉम की साइड ऑफ द फैमिली जो बिहारी थी, तो 2 स्टेट्स चल रहा था बाहर. इट वाज सो एक तरह का इलनेस, बर्थ्स एंड डेथ्स, ये जो चीज़ें होती हैं फैमिलीज़ को करीब लाती हैं, और ये फिल्म उसकी कहानी थी. और मेरे लिए बहुत स्पेशल थी, क्योंकि जब मैंने ये प्रोडक्शन कंपनी बनाई, तो जिस रीज़न के लिए मैंने बनाया वो कामयाबी मिली. आई वाज वेरी हैप्पी. जब मैं फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में आई थी, मुझे हेल्प करने वाला कोई नहीं था. हालांकि मैं मिस वर्ल्ड थी, इसलिए मुझे फिल्में मिली, लेकिन आई डिडंट नो एनीवन. सब लोग अंकल आंटी नहीं थे. मतलब मुझे अपने आप को इंट्रोड्यूस करना पड़ा. तो मेरी कंपनी का स्टैंडर्ड है, मैंडेट है कि हम नए आर्टिस्ट को चांस देते हैं. नए फिल्म मेकर्स हो, नए डायरेक्टर्स हो, नए एक्टर्स हो, म्यूजिशियंस हों. कोशिश करती हूँ मैं जिस फिल्म में भी बनाऊँ, मैं हमेशा न्यू पीपल को अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ दूँ. हम बहुत छोटे प्रोड्यूसर्स हैं. पर्पल पेबल पिक्चर्स बहुत छोटा प्रोडक्शन हाउस है. छोटी फिल्में बनाना चाहते हैं, लेकिन अच्छी फिल्में बनाना चाहते हैं. राजेश सर की पहली मराठी फिल्म थी ये, तो उनको बहुत बड़ा कंग्रेचुलेशंस. नहीं, मैं फॉरगेट हिंदी फिल्म है, वहाँ की भी फिल्में नहीं देख पाती हूँ. डूइंग अ 22 एपिसोड टीवी शो इज़ वेरी डिफ़िकल्ट. मेरे आवर्स बहुत क्रेजी होते हैं. हम लोग 15-15 घंटे शूट करते हैं. सब लोग समझते हैं कि वहाँ पे लोग पीपल वर्क ओनली लाइक फ्रॉम 9 to 5. नॉट एट ऑल. हमारी सुबह 5 बजे की शूटिंग, 5 बजे यू हैव टू अराइव, वी लीव बाय 8 o'clock at night. So there's not really time. So I've missed out on a lot of films. In fact, a lot of the Oscar films also मैंने देखी नहीं थी. तो मैं बेस्ट पिक्चर कैटेगरी में बाहर चली गई थी, ताकि कोई मुझसे पूछे ना.
We'll have one last question. One last.
Hi Priyanka. Just wanted to ask you.
Give it 5
Hi
more
Priyanka.
minutes.
Priyanka.
I'm Atika from.
Okay, so you've asked 3 questions in one, huh? Now let me answer one by one if I've understood. You can't be so entitled, and us also as the Hindi film industry. हम ऐसे नहीं कह सकते कि अच्छा हम तो इंडिया में स्टार हैं तो हर कंट्री में होना चाहिए. Not cool. वहाँ मतलब different people are different celebrities in different countries. So I never expected that. I am okay walking into a room saying, "Hi, I'm Priyanka Chopra and I'm an Indian actor." मैं अपने आप को इंट्रोड्यूस करती हूँ, एंड उसमें कोई छोटी बात नहीं है. हमारे अचीवमेंट्स बहुत बड़े हैं. सो स्लोली, ऑफ कोर्स, nobody had seen my work that time. Quantico had just come out. I never thought they were mean, except for a few people, and I know who you're talking about. But I don't think anyone was mean. I think the American press has been wonderfully accepting of me. In fact, I haven't seen them being like this to a lot of Indian actors. I mean, if you think about it, they're wonderful with me. They are so friendly, so loving, so encouraging for someone like me. So I don't know, I can't say about brown skin, and I can't generalize, but I definitely think that's my endeavor. We are 1/5 of the world's population. तो हमारा representation international cinema में, global cinema में, global entertainment में बहुत जायज़ है, होना चाहिए, and that is on us. We have to make sure that we are good enough and we put ourselves out there and say कि मैं अपने character के ऊपर I'm going to pay attention and I'm going to work on it because I know how to do it. मैं काफ़ी prolific film industry से आई हूँ, so I don't feel small when I walk in. And I think, yeah, it takes a while to introduce. Whenever somebody comes here new, जब मेरी पहली फिल्म में आई थी, तब आप लोग भी तो नहीं जानते थे मुझे. You also warmed up to me after a while, so it's just natural, I think.
Priyanka,
Hi Priyanka.
Justin
Hi
here.
Priyanka. I'm Shutapa. Hi, here in the middle.
Just say
Hi,
okay.
I'm Shutapa from
Speakers,
Bombay.
yeah. Sorry. Hi.
I'm Shutapa from Bombay Times. So you were just now talking about stereotypes, and it's just not about perception. It's also about the rules we adhere to also in our country. In India, the film industry is mostly family-based film industry. In this film, Baywatch, you're playing a really badass character. While you have also played badass characters in India, how was it, dropping F-bombs and, talking about...
That one was very scary.
Yeah, how was it?
The first time I had to say it, I got very embarrassed. मेरे कान गरम हो गए थे. Because I'm not someone who by nature curses. चाहे वो हिंदी में हो या इंग्लिश में. Even at home, like even with my friends, I don't by nature do it. And फिल्मों में तो मैंने कभी किया नहीं. विशाल सर से मेरी विशाल भारद्वाज कितनी बार उन्होंने कोशिश की थी कि एक गाली दे दो. मुझसे नहीं होता. I get really shy. So, but I knew this was a rated R movie. It is, red band trailers. ये वो film है. This is that world. And I'm an actor और मेरा काम है to be able to, it's my job and my responsibility to fit myself into the world that I play in. मैं कभी भी अपने आप को play नहीं करती हूँ अपने characters में. I don't believe in that. I'm an actor and my job is to act. So that's what I've done with Victoria. This is the world that she is in and she drops the F-bomb.
Hi Priyanka.
Oh, thank you for asking that question. We have 6 films on floor this year, actually. We have one more Marathi movie. We have one more Bengali movie that I'm going to start. One Sikkimese film. Sikkim में film industry नहीं है, उनकी regional film industry. तो ये सिक्किम की पहली film होगी जो सिक्किम से निकलेगी. I've tied up with the government. I'm launching the film industry there. So we've taken HODs only HODs from Bombay. बाकी सारा cast and crew हम लोग उसी area से ले रहे हैं, so that they get sort of used to making films on their own and they can also do it after I leave. Also, the rest of them I can't talk about too much, but there's also one Konkani Hindi film, which is a children's film, which I'm very excited about. And yeah, we're developing some really fun stuff. And most of them are with new directors, and we're launching a few new actors. So fingers crossed, let's see.
Priyanka, that will be the last question, guys. That will be the last question.
Priyanka, Justin.
That will be the last one.
Priyanka, Justin here.
Chalne do.
Priyanka, I just wanted to ask from you, I mean, while you were working in the West, America was going through a transformation. Since you've worked in both the industries, I just wanted to understand from you, why is it that the celebrities in the West are more open to criticizing the power of authority than perhaps the Indian celebrities here? Why do you think there is that difference like?
I think it's a cultural thing maybe. I don't know. I say what I feel. I've always had an opinion. So, and when I don't want to have an opinion, I just don't. Maybe controversies get, every time I think public people, whether it's over there and over here, I think public people just always get into trouble, I guess, when you speak your opinion, and that's the truth. So maybe that's why. I mean, I'm just guessing.
Thank you. Can I please invite Mr. Andhari to please come on stage, sir? Sir, could you please come on stage?
This is Ajit Antare from Viacom, please. हमने मेरी कॉम भी साथ में की, हमने काफी फिल्में साथ में की है.
Good, she remembers. I was waiting somewhere.
Give me one mic for him. Yes. One. Where's your mic? Okay, let me finish with him. I'm coming to you. Yes.
About the films that you're doing in the Purple Pictures. I, being from Assam, have a personal. I mean, anyway, this. Attachment, obviously. You're a brand ambassador for Assam right now. You've just signed up. Would you be doing any films in that language? B, okay. From the same state company.
The mic here, na Baba?
Yeah, I think my voice is too loud anyway. Everyone says that. Anyway, so B, when you actually did, I mean, the Assam tourism campaign, there were a lot of criticism that came in. I mean, are you aware of it? Because
for the campaign design,
the creatives were not up to the mark. It was ridiculously bad, actually. Let me put it that way. It was. It was stupid.
You must tell your government because they made it then.
Exactly. Did you
not have any? तुम बोलो.
हम तो बोल चुके हैं.
मैं तो सिर्फ खड़ी थी.
Did you have a say in the creative?
No, of course I have a say in most creatives that go out with me. But I had gone to Assam for a really quick trip and we did a photo shoot and I left. So because I was in America, I didn't really pay attention. And I know people didn't like it very much, but I've had a conversation with them about it because I also saw it for the first time on the internet. I had like it had gone out of because I had gone back for Quantico. So hopefully we'll do a better one next time and people won't be upset. Oh, and the film. There's no plan yet, but I have met CM Saab from Assam and we've talked about that actually. Film and television. I never tried my luck. ABC came to me as a talent. I signed a talent deal. I never had a plan that मुझे Hollywood में गंगा झंडा गाड़ना है. There was no plan ever. I was doing Hindi films here. ABC came to me saying, would you like to do television? I said, it's too long a commitment. I read, you must be knowing, I read like 26 scripts. I loved Quantico. वो 13 episodes का होना था पहले. 13 से it became 18, then it became 22. So it just got sort of happened. Everything that I'm doing internationally just sort of happened. It was never a plan. Then Baywatch came to me. Films started coming to me. I still obviously want to do Hindi films. Till people want to watch me, I'd want to do films here or there. I don't think it needs to be a choice. I'm an artist and I go wherever my work takes me.
That will be it, I think.
Dwayne Johnson से हिंदी बुलवानी चाहिए थी.
We'll just have a photo op right now, guys. Thank you so much.
बोलो. Yes, I do have one. I wish that Hollywood was not so punctual. बड़ी problem होती है मुझे. I wish they were a little bit more like us. That I had a problem with. Baki, I don't think so. I think filmmaking and cinema everywhere is the same. The only difference is 8 o'clock they say they'll start by 8:02. Which मेरे लिए बड़ी problem होती है, you know, as first of all as a girl and as an Indian actor. But secondly, I think the difference for me was television and films. I'd never done TV except Khatron Ke Khiladi, which I just shot for like 20 days, long time. The way television works is like 15 scenes a day, ta. It's really, really fast. Whereas movies are a lot more language. So when I shot Baywatch, I felt like I was doing a Hindi film. It was the same thing. But except that, except that we spoke in English and we speak in Hindi. But I don't feel the difference in filmmaking as much.
Thank you, guys. I think that'll be it.
Sir, मेरे पास remote control है. I overview everything. And I know people keep asking me कि कैसे मैं produce भी कर रही हूँ यहाँ पे काम वहाँ पे कर रही हूँ. I fly down people with hard drives to check on edits of my film. Creatives are all mine. Business is all my mother. We're a partnership. She handles all the business. I handle all creatives. Font se leke, you know, final cut tak, of course. And the only way to do it is if you really want to do it. And I really want to do it. I want to be able to be someone who can do everything. वक्त की पाबंदी की वजह से मैं कुछ ना कर पाऊँ वो मेरे साथ कभी नहीं होगा.
So film में एक dialogue है इसमें there is no such thing as a lifeguard pursuit, right? So but there is some such thing as a Priyanka Chopra pursuit, and I've been doing that, you know. So
consistently, that I have to give you consistently.
So while it's great for us to have, you know, our shining star on a global horizon, and we always take so much pride, you know, whenever she is there, she makes us look so good. She's doing the same thing in the film as well. But of course, as a studio, as a producer, it poses a lot of challenge because we would love her to do a lot more Hindi films as well. And the other thing is, I'm running scared today because the name is Pebbles, Purple Pebbles, but there's more like
one
rock.
Pebble. I'm the pebble.
Pebble. And I mean, look at the lineup and all that. So I'm actually wondering where do I take my little studio and hide, you know?
Oh, please.
Yeah, so
my God. Oh, please.
So the plans are, of course, to collaborate. And
yeah, we've talked a lot about, we're talking about a couple of films. And we've been talking, and hopefully we will do something together. We've had a great partnership over the years, and I hope we continue it. I don't indulge in gossip, so I will not answer that, but it doesn't only happen there. Kisi se 15 minute baat kar liya, so the people start writing. That's all there was to that. So there's really nothing to say about it. And a lot of good people are doing them. No, I don't feel so. I think there is enough work for everyone. Our film industry is making some incredible films. And I get so proud watching them. अच्छा काम अच्छे लोगों के लिए, अच्छे actors के लिए कभी कम नहीं होता. And I'm not someone who's insecure. I never have been. I have incredible work that is offered to me, and there's enough work to go around for everybody. So no, I don't feel that at all. हाँ काफी है मेरे को slow motion वहीं से तो सीखा था मैंने. मैं मम्मी के साथ अपने you know उनके bedroom में करती थी.
I think it's time हम लोग Baywatch के साथ कुछ नई यादें जोड़ें. So there is a poster, a new one. Let's take a look at it.
A new poster only for you guys.